Hi everyone, and today we're going to learn about geometry, understanding shapes, angles, and dimensions. What is geometry? Look at those four shapes. Definition: geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies shapes, sizes, angles, and dimensions of objects. It helps us understand the world around us, from the structure of buildings to the patterns in nature. Basic concepts in geometry. Introduction to fundamental elements in geometry. Points, lines, and planes. A point is a location in space with no sides, denoted by a dot like A. A line is a straight path that extends infinitely in both directions, either up and down or left and right. A plane is a flat surface that extends infinitely in all directions, up, down, left, and right. Angles are formed when two lines meet at a point. Types of angles. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. A right angle is 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. And a straight angle is 180 degrees. Look at all those shapes. 2D shapes or flat shapes. A triangle has three sides. A circle is a round shape with no sides. A quadrilateral is a shape with four sides. 3D shapes, solid shapes. A cube is a 3D shape with six square faces. A cylinder, with the middle one, is a circular base with a curved surface, and a sphere is a perfectly round ball. The last one. Real life applications of geometry. In architecture, geometry is used in designing buildings and structures. In engineering, geometry helps in designing machines and structures. In navigation, GPS and maps use concepts. Geometric. Art and design. Shapes and symmetry are key in creative fields. Conclusion: geometry is everywhere. It helps us understand and create the world around us. Whether in nature, technology, or design, geometry plays a crucial role in shaping our lives. Thank you for watching. So then. Bye, everyone. See you in our next video.